Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, this week we are focused on the core value of sweating the small stuff and the Bulldog value of we are optimistic. This is going to be super important, and 4th and 5th grade, just so you know, this is a special video just for you guys. This is a video just for 4th and 5th grade. And so when we talk about sweating the small stuff and being optimistic, I want to talk about each subject area today because I know you guys are going to crush it on writing and science, and I want us today to make history when we're talking about how students have done in writing in Austin and how students have done in science in Austin. Today, you guys are the ones who are going to be making history. And in writing, the most important thing that Ms. Reyes wanted me to remind you of is that we need to see your idea statement. When you write your prompt, we need to see your idea statement. You should be using your keywords from your prompt in your writing, and I should want to read all of your details. I'm so excited this afternoon to read all of your essays with Ms. Reyes and Ms. Prestridge. I want to make sure that every essay, though, starts with your hook and your idea statement. For grammar, let's make sure that we are remembering all the tricks that Ms. Reyes has taught us, like using the hand to show possession when you're talking about apostrophe S or just an S. Remember that if you put a comma before a fanboy, you need to have 2 complete sentences on both sides, one on the left and one on the right. You need to make it right, comma, and fanboy. We're also thinking about the box 6. Make sure you have 2 quotation marks. Capitalize the name, capitalize the first word, middle punctuation, and ending punctuation. Those are the things that you have to remember when you're doing your multiple choice part of your grammar. And remember, I met with every single 4th grader and we talked about your specific magic number. Remember, that is the thing that you are working towards to get to your bowling trip this time around. For science, you guys have been killing it in science with your keywords and really applying the vocabulary when you're in class. Make sure you're using your win strategy. Make sure you translate all your science words into keywords. For example, when you see the word reflection, I should see the word bounce. When you see the word refraction, I should see the word bend. When you see the word conductor, I should see words like metal, lets energy pass. That's what I mean when you're talking about translating your science words into keywords. And remember, Ms. Prestridge met with you guys to talk about your magic numbers in your classes. We are working towards our magic numbers today. And in science, guys, I really want to see those level 3s popping up. In your last BWA, we had 26% of students get to level 3. Let's see if we can pass that. We only had 8% level 3 at IA1. But I know we can get to 30%. Let's get there. Let's make sure we're keeping it 100 by asking yourself, is this work going to get me to my magic number? And did I show all my work so that my teacher can help me with any mistakes that I've made? Want to wish Valerie Alvarez, Javier Padron, Fernando Marcos, and Adriana Lucero a happy birthday. Remember, we're still working on our AR Zone Incentive Challenge. 5th grade, 3rd grade just took the lead yesterday. Let's make sure after testing, we're reading so that way we can test and beat 3rd grade. 4th grade, you are still in the lead for a hotspot this week. Mr. Compton has been saying that you kill it in hotspot. Keep it up so that way you guys can be the winners again next week. We have our attendance challenge going on. You can earn the teacher-student dodgeball game for having perfect attendance. And this is your day for writing and for science to work towards our incentive trip. Let's make sure that we think like a winner, we'll act like a winner, we will win today. Let's show Austin, who is the best school in the city. We'll be around checking in on you, watching you show all of that hard work. Let's have a great Thursday, Bulldogs.